Hello! Today we invite you to our adventure with the Sheraton Grand Kraków hotel. This is the same hotel that the famous Elon Musk chose to stay at. And when the richest man in the world chooses this hotel, you know something is up. And indeed it was. Underground parking at the hotel cost 120 zloty, while parking in the city is around 80 zloty. So it's probably worth paying extra. At the check-in, we were surprised by a few things. First, having to give all the personal details of all the guests. Usually one guest is enough. Second, being asked for your credit card number or a certain amount of money as a deposit for damages or hotel expenses. You can drive right up to the door of the hotel. There is a very nice man at the reception who will help you unpack your car and take the trolley to your room. To get to the lift, you have to walk through a large, spacious 5-story patio. This is the heart of the hotel, where breakfasts are served, conferences are held, and live music is played on Saturday evenings. A magical place. We arrived in a deluxe room with 2 single beds, but they were so wide they looked like double beds. Everything would have been fine if it wasn't for a dirty bathroom, and especially the toilet had not been cleaned carefully enough after previous guests. While we can turn a blind eye to some things, in this case it was impossible for us to ignore. We reported this to reception and have offered a room change. Unfortunately, the next room was no better. Definitely more worn out, for example, blackened bottom of the bathtub and dusty cistern and some individual hairs. Oh no! But even in this situation, the service was up to the task. We all agreed that such a situation should not happen. We agreed that our first room would be cleaned again, and while we were waiting, we were invited to the Sheraton Club for dinner and activated our access there for the whole stay. There was also a small prosecco and strawberries waiting for us on our return to the room, as well as drink vouchers. The room itself was medium-sized, with extremely comfortable beds, like being on a cloud, and very comfortable pillows. The minibar was fully stocked, which isn't often these days. A capsule coffee machine was also available. Online hotel guide has no basic information about the end time of the hotel night. TV and Turbo was not available, but YouTube was. There are many useful clothes hooks in the room and bathroom. Annoying rocking table, a bit scary to put a cup of coffee on it. Bathroom is not state-of-the-art. Bathtub is extremely narrow. In 5-star hotels, it is compulsory to have a scale in the bathroom. The one in our bathroom had a broken leg. We had a lovely view of Wawel Castle And although the hotel is on the Vistula, the building is so cleverly designed that probably a large proportion of the rooms have a view of the Vistula and the buildings of Krakow, or just Wawel Castle, and every one of them is magnificent. A letter of praise could be written about the restaurant, meals, and drinks, starting with the aforementioned bar, which offered unlimited alcoholic drinks, wine, beer, vodka, and whiskey from 5 p.m. to 8 p.m., and hot meals and cold snacks from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m., 3 or 4 hot dishes, plus starters, tortillas, salads, impressive and mega tasty. Several types of cakes, also excellent. If you choose to stay with access to the club, you can safely skip dinner. The surrounding greenery also gives this place a distinctive atmosphere, a little more intimate than the restaurant downstairs. Breakfast is very rich. Eggs to order absolutely in every edition, several kinds of cheese, cold meats, fish, sweets, both hot pancakes, waffles, and cold cakes, biscuits, fruit salads. All delicious. A restored antique slicer is part of the restaurant's decor, as well as hand-painted paintings that make walking around other parts of the hotel a pleasure. Attractions were basically lacking, as the entire pool and fitness area was under renovation when we visited. Of course, a temporary gym in 2 interconnected rooms was provided as an alternative, but it was rather cramped due to the equipment and at times overcrowded. Use of the swimming pool and sauna was provided by the Novotel Hotel, about 300 meters away. We decided to check out the Novotel for you, so it will appear in one of the next episodes where we will share our impressions of the pool area. We booked the hotel over the phone, but it was not the lowest price we found. It was cheaper to do it through a group booking, but you have to book at least 2 days in advance. In the second half of January 2024, a 2-person room with breakfast was 793 zloty. The lowest possible price for this room was 700 zloty. The highest we found was 1,400 zloty. For comparison, we chose Hotel H15 Luxury, which cost 920 zloty per night during this period, and Novotel Cracow Center, which cost 550 zloty with breakfast. All in all, a hotel worth recommending. If you are considering it in your travel plans, we recommended the option with access to the Sheraton Club. All services at the highest level, even the cleaning. Despite a bump in the room, throughout the hotel is really clean and smells nice. The restaurant in the magical courtyard is open to all, and it is definitely worth going there for dinner. Sign up and press the bell. A new hotel will be waiting for you every week.